So you want to start a faceless YouTube automation channel that makes you $10,000 per month. Well, I want to let you know today is your lucky day because I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. And I also want to let you know that that number is pretty low. So I want you to aim for the skies and the stars because I'm not only going to teach you how to make $10,000 in a month from YouTube, I'm going to teach you how to make over 7 figures from YouTube without ever creating a single video yourself or ever showing your face. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. And if you're wondering who I am and why am I such a credible source to give you this information, well, my name is David Omari and I've been on the YouTube platform for over a decade. I've made over $5.2 million specifically from making money on YouTube without making videos or ever showing my face, which puts me in the very best position to teach you exactly how this thing is done. And I know you're probably wondering, why should you do YouTube opposed to all the other business models out there? Well, running YouTube channels where you never have to show your face or even create a single video yourself checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, you can run your YouTube channels from anywhere, at any time, at any age. I literally started my YouTube journey when I was just 18 years old with $50 to my name. I was making $10,000 a month by the time I was 19 and over $40,000 a month by the time I dropped out of college. Now, if you implement all the secrets I'm about to tell you, I can't guarantee that you'll automatically make $40,000 a month on the first month of you trying this, but I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I did step by step. Now, the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is because you do the work once and it continues to pay you for years and years to come into the future. Other businesses, you can't necessarily say the same for many. Honestly, you have to constantly be doing new things within the business every single month to continue to make money. Whereas with YouTube, you set up the systems and processes once, and then you think of every video that you upload as a piece of digital real estate that literally lives on the platform forever. Literally living on the internet forever, that can then pay you month after month. Every single month, you're getting paid passive income from these digital real estate videos. Literally, guys, I still make money every single month from videos that I uploaded when I was just 18 years old, and that was over a decade ago. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can start planting these seeds for yourself with the YouTube automation business model. Okay, so to get started, guys, we're gonna start with a 5-step process. Okay, there's 5 steps that you have to understand to actually do this business. That way, when you start it, you don't miss any steps and you don't make any mistakes. I always tell people mistakes are gonna cost you the most money. Why? Because they cost you the most time. There are so many people that just jump out there and start doing things without any proper guidance, any proper education or prior knowledge to what they're trying to do, and they end up spending years and years and years to reach a level of success that I've got, right? And it just sets them back, which is why I totally regret when I started YouTube. I literally should have started and got mentored before just doing this because it took me a decade to get to this level. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm at an amazing level in life now. I have the mansion of my dreams. I have every single dream car I could ever imagine, all the clothes and shoes I could ever want, literally everything I could ever ask for, including the freedom that comes along with it. So I'm not in a bad position, but I would have been here a lot sooner if I just would have got the right information from the right person at the right time, because success is all about the shortcut, okay? And the shortcut to success is the person that's already there, that's already been through all the mistakes. So with that said, step number 1 is choosing your niche. This is the most important step in the process because you need to know what your channel is going to be about. You need to know what the videos you're going to create your channel about, right? If you just start a YouTube channel and you have a video idea here, a video idea there, but you don't have a niche selected, you already start off on the wrong track because 1, you're trying to grow a loyal audience that likes to watch a specific type of content. And you don't go to a basketball game to then watch soccer players come out on the basketball court and start kicking the ball around. Like, you would never do that, right? So you don't want to do that with your YouTube channel. You want to come off starting off with, videos talking about one thing and then you completely switch it up. You want to choose a niche and you want to stick to that niche for as long as you run that channel, okay? Which brings us to step number 2 once you have that niche: market research. Okay, now don't take this too far out of context. All market research is on YouTube is you finding competitors that are doing videos that you already are interested in doing, seeing where they did it great, seeing where they did it really wrong, and just finding the thin line between that and making it 10 times better than your competitor. Okay, now I like to do market research very simple. I like to find at least 10 channels in my niche, get all those channels and subscribe to them, because that's the only thing I want to see on my timeline and on my sub feed when I'm looking for new video ideas, or I'm just trying to stay in the same mindset of the content and the audience that is watching the content. Now, once you have all the channels that are in your niche that are your competitors, you then want to start brainstorming video ideas. And it's the same process here. Now you're going to go to each and every single one of those channels and you're going to create a list. And this can be on a Google Doc, this can be on a note on your phone. You're going to create a list of the top 10 videos on their channels. You're going to have 5 of those videos be their most 5 recent viral videos, and you're going to have 5 of those videos being their top 5 best videos. And you're going to create a list of those on each of those channels, which is going to give you 100 video ideas, so you know exactly where to go. And then from that 100 video list, you're going to choose the top 10 most recent videos that went viral, and it's going to be the same process here. 5 videos that recently went viral and 5 other videos that are all-time popular videos. And that's how you're going to brainstorm and get the best video ideas from doing this market research. Now, the 4th step is pretty simple. Now it's time for you to hire the team. You got all the video ideas, you got all the content ideas, you got all the channels where your audience is watching, and you want to find a way to get in front of them. Now it's time for you to hire the team to create the content. All right. So hiring the team and content creation is step number 4. You want to go onto Fiverr or Upwork or any other freelance site that you can find freelancers such as script writers, voiceover artists, video editors, and thumbnail artists. Okay, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of what these things are. A script writer is a person that writes the script about the video idea that you gave them. A voiceover artist narrates that script or does a voice acting of that script that you give them. Then from there, the video editor takes the script and the voiceover and creates a video based around the video idea that you approach them with. And from there, they will create the complete video. And then the thumbnail artist, which is the picture that's on the front of the video before you even click it, is going to create a picture that describes the video idea and everything in the video to get the viewers to actually enjoy it, get curious, and click on the video. Now, once your video is done, what you then need to do is upload and optimize it on the platform, okay? And this is where the monetization comes into play. But very simply put, once you upload the video on the platform, you're gonna create a title that is compelling, that has keywords, and it actually sticks out to your viewer. You're gonna add the thumbnail, you're gonna go ahead and add a description that explains the video. You're gonna add a few hashtags in the description, no more than 2 or 3. And then you're gonna add some actual tags, and then just set up all the little settings that YouTube asks you to do. Once you make it to this step, it is now time to monetize that content and make the money from the actual video. Okay, so that piece of the entire process, when it comes from step 1 all the way down to step 4, the money that you will spend doesn't start until step number 4, okay? And this can cost you anywhere from as low as $25 to $100, depending on the style of video that you are going to be purchasing from the type of team that you have. I like to stay on a sweet spot of $50. I've once had a video where I spent $50 on it and it returned me $10,000. As crazy as that sounds, it seems like it's happening every single day. I typically spend $50 on a video and I average about $400 to $2,000 from each of those videos on average. Like I always see at least a $400 return, which is about a $350 profit. And many of the channels that I run for my clients as well see about the same exact return on their videos, right? But I just wanted to give you that so that you also understand, because this is where a lot of people get a little afraid of the business model. When you invest money into these videos and you know exactly what you're doing, or you have somebody running it for you that knows exactly what they're doing, you're going to make a return, right? And when you make that return, the profits can go super, super high. Okay, and when you get that profit, the best thing for you to do is take some of it and make more videos, purchase more videos, give more money to your team, so that you can keep on rinsing and repeating this process. And when it comes to monetization, there's so many different ways you can go about making money off of your YouTube videos. You can make monies from the ad revenue specifically. That's what I'm talking about when I say I'm making a profit from a $50 video. But there's other ways you can make profit too. You can make money from brand deals, subscriptions, people paying to be a part of your community. There's many ways you can make money off of your YouTube videos. But again, the faithful way that I like to do it is the YouTube ad revenue, because the money from there is passive. You don't have to lift a finger once the video is posted, and everything is amazing from there. Now, if you are enjoying all this value that I'm giving you, I just want you to go ahead and click the like button right now and subscribe to YouTube channel for more information just like this. But I also wanted to let you know about an opportunity that I just opened up for my subscribers that I have never done before. So basically what's going to be happening for a select few people, I believe we're only going to be allowing 3 people to get access to this opportunity. And what this opportunity is basically my team that has been building my channels for the last decade of my life that has made me over $5.2 million is going to also be doing the same thing for 3 people. Okay, now this is an investment. Okay, this isn't something that we're doing for free. This is something that a person who doesn't have a lot of time on their hands wants to get into this business, but they just don't have time to learn it. They don't have time to actually do it, and they just want somebody to take over the process for them. And what better way and what better person to do that than myself and my team? So if you are interested in that, I'm going to have a link down below for you to go ahead and speak to my team. And if it is a great fit for you and we are a great fit for you, we would love to do business with you and actually take over the entire process for you and create you income from these YouTube automation channels without you ever lifting a finger or ever thinking about it, because we're going to be doing the entire thing for you. So if you're interested in that, the link is going to be at the top of the description. With that said, thank each and every single one of you guys for tuning into today's video. I cannot wait to bring more to the channel for you guys. If you want to see more, again, just remember to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you never miss a thing. And until the next one, guys, I'll see you there. Peace.